Hey there, everyone! Today, we're going to dive into a nighttime routine that can help promote a healthy mind. So, let's get started and see how you can wind down for a restful sleep and a healthier mind. First off, make sure to turn off all screens at least an hour before hitting the sack. This might sound challenging, but trust me, your body and mind will thank you for it. Instead of scrolling through social media or binge-watching your favorite show, try reading a book or listening to some soothing sounds instead. Your brain will appreciate this break from the digital world, and you'll feel more refreshed in the morning. For the second part of our nighttime routine, I recommend writing down 3 things you're grateful for every single night before bed. This simple exercise can help shift your focus from negative thoughts to positive ones, which is essential for maintaining a healthy mindset. And there you have it. 2 easy steps to incorporate into your nighttime routine for a healthier mind and better sleep. Give them a try and let me know how they work for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Good night, everyone.